Barrow,
MVP.
yeah,
Racks up.
yeah, yeah,
Most valuable player,
Larro,
more valuable people,
yeah,
more valuable position.
Larro, Barrow,
Yeah.
getting these racks up,
Racks.
riding with a strap tuck.
Tuck.
Bro just came home from down the road, now we back locking up.
Whoa.
Nah, nigga ain't no killer, but I got something for any nigga that act
I
tough.
swear.
Bet not make no wrong move, bet not make no hiccups.
Better not.
My bitch cheated on me, dawg,
Bitch.
but I ain't seen that no red table.
Bitch.
I never snake my bros,
Never.
I don't understand Cain and Abel.
Never.
Most these bitches telling lies,
Most of 'em.
most these niggas telling fables.
Most of 'em.
Larro get that shit started. Okay, Mr. Jumper Cables.
Okay.
I park close everywhere,
I do.
even though I ain't disabled.
not.
Too much drink everywhere.
Yeah.
You know these niggas print these
Come
labels.
on, man, got to.
How you acting gangsta and you ain't get the role?
Oh.
Dog ain't gon' be a stripper. Same time, she still gon' clutch a pole.
time.
Bro just punched the streets.
Punch.
What you mean? He finna hit the road.
Wrong.
Larro from the stone, but he confidential player like Big Mo.
A confidential player.
I just put my hood across my forehead like a GoPro. Yeah, the day been going by fast as hell, but I'm moving in slow-mo. Baby, 9 off in my pocket. I ain't gon' never retire this Romo. Nigga, I want pocket watch, even if I seen a nigga wearing cargo. Steady, getting fresh and killing shit. No wonder it's called a wardrobe. Far from alphabet, boy, but you know I stick to the G code. Getting these racks up, riding with a strap tuck. Bro just came home from down the road, now we back locking up. Nah, nigga ain't no killer, but I got something for any nigga that act tough. Bet not make no wrong move, bet not make no hiccups. My bitch cheated on me, dawg, but I ain't seen that no red table. I never snake my bros, I don't understand Cain and Abel. Most these bitches telling lies, most these niggas telling fables. Larro get that shit started. Okay, Mr. Jumper Cables. I cut out one of my fingers before I show you my whole hand. No, I didn't act in drum line, but I still want to make a band. Off the top of my head, no, I ain't got no ceiling plan. You acting tough around niggas, we gon' call you Jackie Chan. In the middle of the hood, feel like I'm walking in quicksand. Yeah, I would say I'm the best, but that's really the people's job. Niggas out here stealing swag, but they can't show you how to rob. Larro bar for bar, I don't feel like I got no contenders. MVP my bro, all my niggas naturally winners. I think this bitch doing TikTok. She say, baby, take me out for dinner. I'm finna do the dash, like I'm Ricky Bobby. Niggas out here dick riding, like it's a hobby. You must shout out a skinny nigga, cause you ain't hit nobody. You can be on the 10th floor, you still gon' smell this dope from the lobby.
MVP.
Getting these racks up, riding with a strap tuck. Bro just came home from down the road, now we back locking up. Nah, nigga ain't no killer, but I got something for any nigga that act tough. Bet not make no wrong move, bet not make no hiccups. My bitch cheated on me, dawg, but I ain't seen that no red table. I never snake my bros, I don't understand Cain and Abel. Most these bitches telling lies, most these niggas telling fables. Larro get that shit started. Okay, Mr. Jumper Cables.